Hi everyone. We have three awesome gentlemen right here from SoftwareMill. And we have the great Annabella here. She is our awesome acting chief of staff. Please, I would like to introduce, you can start.
Okay, so my name is Jacek. I'm a Scala engineer with SoftwareMill.
Hi everyone, my name is Michał. I'm from SoftwareMill. I've been working here for 8 years now, and I'm glad I'm here.
And I'm Mateusz, and I'm also Scala engineer.
Who do you want to say hi to in Poland?
I want to say hi to my wife and to my two kids, Witek and Lucia. Hi.
Yeah.
If you have a chance to watch it, you'll be glad.
Yeah, okay, so I want to say hi to my wife as well, to my children. Hi Kuba, hi Julian.
I wanna say hi to their wives and my girlfriend.
Their wives? Have you met their wives before?
I'd like to also say hi to Veronika.
Hi, Veronika.
That's my girlfriend.
I want to say hi to someone in Poland too. Hi Jan. Jan is one of the co-founders of SoftwareMill who made this entire relationship come together. So hi Jan.
Hello. I know you three said Scala engineer, right? So what's so special about Scala? Why is Mendel using Scala?
Yeah, so we find Scala to be a very concise language. It's easy to write complex code. It has a lot of abstractions for concurrency, for functional programming. You can also mix the object-oriented approach, the functional one, which is great. And we are using Scala heavily at SoftwareMill and we really like it. So we want to help you with this as well.
Awesome.
That's right. Would you add anything, guys?
I've been using Scala because it's a hybrid language and it supports functional programming.
Do you know what Scala stands for though? Well, this is what they told me. So either I've been miseducated or Scala stands for scalable language.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
That is so cool.
That's what they say.
Something new every day.
That's
Wow.
right.
Scala in Italian means stars.
Oh.
Stairs.
So if you look at the Scala logo, those are like this
spiral
spiral
staircase.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's
Yeah.
cool. Wow.
Well, that's completely abused the analogy. I think that we want to work closely with SoftwareMill to get on the elevator to success. Gotta look good. For our technical viewers, and without exposing any intellectual property, what's something really interesting that you've learned about either our stack or the Mendel pipeline, or something that that you guys can say that Benny and I may not understand, but that the viewers might?
Exactly.
So one thing that surprised me was how Mendel is using Kubernetes and how they are structuring their deployments in Kubernetes, because something that initially occurred to me as an anti-pattern turns out to have a lot of justification here. So how you do it, you wouldn't normally do it like that, at least to my best knowledge. But this is how it's done here, and it has some good grounds to be done in this particular way.
Yeah, so the project is very well organized. Connection between AI and backend technologies like Scala work well, I would say.
From my side, maybe it's not technical one, but I really like that Mendel offers not his product as the whole thing, but Mendel also offers the parts of it.
Yeah, we can give you the first part, the DID, or the last part, something like that.
Yeah.
You guys have been on site now for, this is day 3. Who is your favorite Mendelian? That means a person who works at Mendel.
That's a tough question.
But you've got to be honest.
Yeah. You know, two names
I
right
would say
here.
Annabella is my favorite because you've been caring for us so much. You helped us solve all the issues that we had here.
Annabella.
Can I name 2 persons?
Oh yeah.
See, this is why they're so creative, right?
Yeah.
They bend the rules. This
Yeah.
is why we're working
Yeah,
with
so
them.
first place goes to Annabella, second place goes to Mutu for his skills to share the knowledge with us. I really like how to the point he is when giving us all the details. There's like a bunch of knowledge to transfer here. He's doing great, I think.
Yeah,
really
yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Whole team counts as answer or not?
Whole team is the whole answer. It's one of those answers.
That's true. That's true. You guys, I mean, already just expanding the rules of the question, we appreciate that. So, whole team, who had been to America before this trip? Or the United States before this trip?
I have. It's
That's-
me. So I've been to San Francisco a couple of times for conferences, but this was not my first adventure with the US. The first one was back in 2012, I believe. And this was a longer one because we did a road trip from New York to SF. So we flew to New York, we rented a car, we drove this I don't know what amount of miles to San Francisco through the mid US.
Yeah.
And it was a great adventure. It was pretty exhausting, but we really liked it.
So then the two gentlemen to my left, first time in the United States, what were your first impressions?
Yeah, so this is my first time in US. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to join Mendel.
Okay.
Oh, join Mendel! Look out!
Wow.
Actually, when I first heard about this project, I heard about many technologies that you guys use. So that was the main reason why I wanted to join the project. But the second one, I need to be honest with you, was that I had this opportunity to come here to see Silicon Valley. So yeah, I was happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same with me. And so far I saw only San Jose in America, but we will see the San Francisco also, and so far it's really nice.
First of all, we need to go and see Golden Gate.
That's right,
the
that's
bridge.
right.
Maybe Alcatraz.
And you guys will celebrate a US holiday while you're here.
Yeah.
What is that holiday? And tell us what you think that holiday is.
So you'll be celebrating Independence Day, right?
Yes. Yes.
July
yes.
4th.
July 4th.
America. And what is that?
It's a movie.
That is not a wrong answer.
Yeah, that's
Not a wrong answer. Anything that you learned about Mendel that you didn't know before you got here that you found really interesting?
I found out how you guys want to help people with their diseases. If it works and the whole pipeline will be deployed, then I think it will be it will shorten the time when you want to start treating diseases.
And also the killer feature of Mendel seems to be that you are automating what has been done manually so far, so which is great, and this sounds like a breakthrough.
At Mendel, we have three important components. They are product, they are revenue, they are people. What order do we stack these as our philosophy?
I bet that you are putting people first. Then I think it's the product and the revenue is last.
Correct. And we also say at Mendel that we're a learning organization. What do we mean by this?
Well, that for me that sounds similar to what we actually do at SoftwareMill, so that we're like a dynamic organization. Nothing is fixed. So if you see something works, you continue doing it. If something doesn't work, you just stop and choose a different approach. So that's what I would understand by this.
And it's at Mendel, it's mostly that second part. We celebrate mistakes as long as we learn from them quickly.
Yeah.
So as an R&D org, we're going to make tons of mistakes as long as we can learn from them fast and iterate even faster.
I think this is something you call a safety culture, where people are allowed, are even encouraged to make mistakes as long as you learn from them. So this is great. Yeah.
Absolutely. Mateusz, you've been quiet.
Okay.
What is Mendel's mission in terms of why do we exist?
To make work better.
It's pretty good. Would anyone add to that?
I know you're comparing yourself to Google, as Google organizes the information in the internet, so perhaps Mendel is organizing the health information that is available.
That's right. One day people will be like, did you Mendel it? That's right. We want to make medicine objective by creating the largest patient index of experiences. Experiences, every part of the patient journey. So experiences, treatment, etc.
Yeah, and we're happy we're here, and they are great, so...
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Heard it here first.
All right.
Heard it here first.
All right.
And also, if you don't know SoftwareMill, now you know.
Exactly.
Because experts in the field, Google it. We'll put a link.
Everyone is hiring.
Everyone is hiring. How do you say goodbye to your fans?
Nara.
Do zobaczenia.
Cześć.
SoftwareMill and Mendel. Mendel.mill.
Mendel.mill.
Mendel.mill. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, Mendel.mill.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, Mendel.mill.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, Mendel.mill.